to tell you, it is powerful. And we're all here because we already love the village, and you're going to feel very rooted in the mission of Give Kids the World after you watch this film. Now, it's actually...
It isn't hard to do. Nothing but kill or drive. No religion too. Imagine all the people. Babylon curses on. From there, and I won't be. I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. We were halfway there when the rain came down on me, yeah. She asked me up to a flat downtown on the fines of day. Ask your friend.
And remember, stay young and have fun.